In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Roblox Studio on mobile on Android devices. So to do this, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and actually open up any web browser. For this video, I'm going to be utilizing Google Chrome. And all you want to do is you want to look up Roblox Studio Lite in the search bar just like so, and then you just want to go ahead and look for it. Now, basically, this is going to allow us to use a version of Roblox Studio that is optimized for mobile devices. So you just want to go ahead and go to the official roblox.com website right over here, and you just want to go ahead and press on that. Then you want to go ahead and press on this blue button over here that will basically take you to the actual game itself. All right, and then from here, it is going to take us to something called Studio Lite. So this is exactly like Roblox Studio, but it is simpler and it's made to work on mobile devices. So doing this, you actually are able to go ahead and create your very own game. So look at this, guys. We have like workspaces over here, players, lighting, etc. And the good thing about it is that they actually provide you with dozens of free guides that you guys can go ahead and take a look at and learn. So guys, if you want to go ahead and learn more, then it will actually provide you some tutorials, which is definitely pretty good, and we have all of the essential functions that you would need from Roblox Studio. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.